Hello students, today we are going to see chapter number 5, admission of a partner of standard 12th commerce, subject account. So till today we have seen different sum that is related to goodwill when the goodwill is brought by partner in cash or kind. Sometimes if the partner brought the goodwill, that goodwill old partner can withdraw, and adjustment related to revaluation of asset and reassessment of liability, and again we have seen balance sheet after the revaluation. So this was the part. Now today again we are going to see adjustment related to capital account. So when the new partner is coming, until that maybe old partner will be following fluctuating capital account method, and after entering new partner they can change the method of capital, that can be changed to fixed capital account method. So how to treat that in the accounting, that we are going to see. Again, sometime how much capital is supposed to be brought by new partner, that also can be decided from the profit and loss sharing ratio. So these are the different things relate to capital, fixed capital and fluctuating capital account method, and profit and loss sharing ratio. So these are the things that we are going to see from today. So here is very first sum where we are going to make the capital according to entering partner capital account. So here if the new partner is coming and how much share he is getting from the profit, according to that we are going to fix their capital, and old partner also will brought or will withdraw capital according to their profit and loss sharing ratio. So that we are going to see now. So let's see the sum number 26. Example number 26. Sia and Janki are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 1:2. They admitted Chandni as a new partner for 1/6 share. Chandni brought 25,000 as her capital in cash. The capital of Sia and Janki after the adjustment of loss of revaluation account goodwill reserve are 60,000 and 70,000. So here we can see that all the adjustment has been done, and after that the capital of Sia and Janki are 60,000 and 70,000. They decided to keep the capital of all the partner in their profit and loss sharing ratio by taking new partner's capital as a base. So here the new partner Chandni is bringing 25,000 as a capital, and her share is a 1/6 share. So here we have to decide from her share. Her share will be in the base of all the capital. They decided to keep the capital of all the partner in their new profit loss sharing ratio by taking new partner's capital as base. For this purpose, the amount of actual cash to be paid or brought in by the old partner. So whatever the capital old partner need to brought, they have to brought, and if their capital is more, that partner can withdraw their capital in cash. New profit and loss sharing ratio is 3:2:1. So here they are asking us to prepare partner's capital account. So let's prepare partner's capital account, and let's try to fix their capital according to the Chandni's capital. So here we are going to prepare partner's capital account. particular Sia, Janki and Charlie. This is the partner's capital account. Now, let's say opening balance is given in the sum. They have told us that opening balance is balance brought down is 60,000 and 70,000 for Sia and Janaki. And now they are telling us that the Chandni is bringing 25,000 as capital in cash. So by cash account 25,000. Now we have to fix the capital of Sia and Janaki according to the Chandani's capital account. So we have to prepare like this. If Chandani's share is 1/6, then her capital is 25,000. So for total capital of the firm would be how much? So here, this is how we can find out that the total capital will be cross multiplication, and this 6 will be going up. So that will be 25,000 into 6. And that will be 1,75,000. This is the total firm's capital. This capital is for the total firms. Now we have to find out Sia's share of capital. Sia's capital is equal to, if total capital is, so here 1,50,000. 1,50,000. Then Sia's share of new profit sharing ratio is 3/6. So for that, how much capital is needed? If total capital is 1,50,000, then Sia's capital would be how much? So here we can see that will be rupees 75,000. And then Janaki's capital is 1,50,000 into 2/6 is equal to, it will be 50,000. So here Sia's capital is 75,000, Janaki's capital is 50,000. So this is the closing capital. So here we have to write 2 balance carry down. So here it will be 75,000. So this 75,000 and the Janaki's capital will be 50,000 and Chandani's capital will be 25,000. So here we have to close the capital account and we have to find out how much capital partner would bring or will take to the home. So here you can see that Sia's capital is 60,000. She is supposed to have 75,000. So balancing 75,000 is more than 75,000. We are going to take this side and here by cash account. So Sia would bring more 15,000. And now we can see that Janaki's capital is 70,000 and she is supposed to keep the capital 50,000. So different 20,000 she will take to the home. So here 20,000 to cash account. So So that she is going to take to the home. And here we can see for the Chandni that both side is 25,000. So there will be no difference in her account. So here this is how we supposed to prepare the partner's capital account. And now in next sum we are going to hold total sum, that is with revaluation account, cash account, partner's capital account, as well as balance sheet after revaluation. Thank you students for watching this